Students, good morning. We have discussed how to write formula of a compound. Now, today your topic is molecular mass and formula unit mass. So what is molecular mass? The definition of molecular mass is written here. You see, the molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. That is, the molecular mass if a molecule contains two or more elements. If a molecule contains two or more elements, then their element, each element, the atomic mass, the sum of the atomic mass of the whole molecule is called the molecular mass of the substance. Okay. Now, if we going to the topic of formula unit mass, this molecular mass and formula unit mass are similar. These two are same, but different is what? Molecular mass is only for the non-ionic compound. The molecular mass is only for the non-ionic compound. That means the constituent particles are not ion. If constituent particles are ions, then we call it not molecular mass. We call it what? Formula unit mass. So what is molecular mass? The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of the molecules. That is, if we take an example, for example, molecular mass of water. For example, molecular mass of water. So here what we have to see, water consists of molecules hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, here two molecules of hydrogen, that means, and one molecule of oxygen is present. So how to calculate the molecular mass of H2O? The sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in molecules of the substance. What are atoms are present here? Hydrogen atoms are present here. Two hydrogen atoms present here. One oxygen atom present here. So you have to know the atomic mass of hydrogen. You have to know the atomic mass of hydrogen and atomic mass of oxygen. Now, what is atomic mass? Atomic mass means, always you have to remember that next chapter will study about this atomic mass. Now, what is atomic mass? Atomic mass means sum of proton and neutron of an atom. Sum of proton and neutron of an atom is called atomic mass. So, atomic mass of hydrogen equal to 1. Okay, atomic mass of hydrogen equal to 1 U. U means, you know, the atomic mass unit. Atomic mass of oxygen equal to 16. What atomic mass of oxygen? It is 16. U means atomic mass unit. So for the molecular mass of H2O, that is molecular mass of H2O equal to how many atoms of hydrogen are present here? 2 atoms of hydrogen, and each atom of hydrogen consists 1 unit mass. Okay, and each atom of hydrogen consists mass of each atom of atomic mass of each atom of one atom of hydrogen is what? 1 unit. That is 1 atomic mass unit. That is, hydrogen have 2 atoms. That is, we can write 1 into 2. And after that, sum of, here given what? Sum of the atomic masses. And after that, you sum, that is plus, and atomic mass of oxygen. How many atoms of oxygen is present here? 1. That is, atomic mass of 1 oxygen is 1 oxygen is what? 16 U. That we have to write 16 here. So if you add 2 ones are 2 plus 16, that is 18 atomic mass unit. So molecular mass of H2O is 18 atomic mass unit. Here you see H2O is non-ionic compound. H2O is non-ionic molecule and non-ionic compound or non-ionic compound. So we use this term, that is molecular mass. For another example, if we take another example, that is for ionic compound, that is constituent particles are ion, that is calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. This compound is the constituent particles is ions, that is calcium is positively charged and chlorine is negatively charged ion. For this particle we use this term formula unit mass. Now we are going to calculate a formula unit mass for this compound because it is ionic. But it is ionic. How to calculate? See, atomic mass of, same way we have to calculate the formula unit mass as we calculate molecular mass. These two are same. I told you that these two terms are same, but one is used for the non-ionic compound and another is used for the ionic compound. So atomic mass of calcium. Atomic mass of calcium is what? Atomic mass of calcium, that is 40. What atomic mass of calcium? 40 atomic mass unit. Atomic mass of chlorine. Atomic mass of chlorine, that is 35.5 unit. About atomic mass we will study in next lesson, that is structure of atom. We will study about that what is atomic mass, how to calculate atomic mass. We will study next class, that means next chapter. Now atomic mass of calcium is 40 U, atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 U. Now formula unit mass of calcium chloride. Now you see, one atom of calcium is present, that is 40 U. 2 atom of chlorine is present, that is we can multiply 35.5 into 2. Now calculate this one, 35.5 into 2. 35 to the 70.5 have not, then 71 plus 40. 71 plus 40, 1 unit. Okay, formula unit mass of calcium chloride is 111 unit. And for molecular mass, how to calculate molecular mass? Same way, these two, molecular mass and formula unit mass, we can calculate same manner, that is same way. But molecular mass, we use this term for non-ionic compound, that is water, carbon dioxide. These are non-ionic compound. If consist of metal and non-metal, that is ionic compound, positively and negative charge is present, then we call the term is not molecular mass, we call the term is formula unit mass. Always you have to remember. Now page number 40, some questions set. These questions is are homework for you. Okay. Now today's topic about molecular mass and formula unit mass is done. Thank you.